Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another makeup tutorial. This kind of eye makeup is trending now and I have kept the base so simple, not any full coverage makeup. So let's begin. First I am prepping my skin with Plum Green Tea Face Mist because I am breaking out very badly. And then I will go in with a face moisturizer. This is by Bioderma Intensive Balm. This is for dry to very dry skin. Moisturization is must if you want a healthy and glowy base. Currently I am testing out few more face moisturizers for dry skin, so definitely I'll update how they are working. Going to use a face primer by e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is called mineral infused face primer and I don't think I like it because I don't know what it actually does to my skin, and if I'm not wrong it is a pore filling primer, not suitable for dry skin. Maybe it can work on oily to normal skin. Today I wanted a glowy and dewy base. Actually I always enjoy dewy base. So I think I should have used a moisturizing primer, but it's okay. Let this primer sit on my face for a few minutes. तब तक मैं अपनी eyebrows को set कर लेती हूँ. तो मैंने I have chosen Brow Enhancer by Sugar Cosmetics. The shade name and all the information will be in the description box, and I really like how it goes with my dark black brow hair. You can simply enhance your brows with it, or you can give your brows a nice dramatic change. And this brow pencil is very long lasting. It lasts up to 10 to 12 hours. For my dewy base I am using my all-time favorite PAC Cosmetics ST Liquid Foundation in the shade 1.9, and this is beyond my words. This is incredible foundation. I really love it. It might look quite similar to my skin tone, but in real life this is 2 shades darker than my real skin tone. I don't know how it happens. And if I'm not wrong, this shade will go with NC30 and above. I'm applying foundation with foundation brush because today I want a lighter coverage. And then I will blend it out with a beauty blender, a sponge. Always use a damp sponge and it will not absorb so much of product. I have taken only one pump of foundation. I don't know why, but I always do this. I always take just a pump of foundation to cover my entire face, and it has started raining if you can hear the background sound. And now I'm happy with the seamless finish. I'm using a concealer from Maybelline and this is just an overrated concealer. Putting eye primer on my eyelids. It is from e.l.f. Cosmetics. It gives very dry finish, so another no for dry skinned people. For this eye makeup I will use 3 eyeshadow palettes. The first one is from Nicka K and I have picked a yellow based color. Applying it all over my eyelid with a fluffy eyeshadow blending brush. And I will repeat the same process on my another eyelid too. इन आई शेडो पैलेट्स में कोई भी शेड नेम मेंशन नहीं है, तो वो मैं आपको नहीं बता सकती. सो दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द ड्रॉबैक्स दिस आई शेडो पैलेट हैज़, एंड ऑल्सो द फॉल आउट ऑफ shimmery shades. I have taken another palette from Nicka K and I am picking a peach color with a pencil brush just to darken my crease line. I have taken little bit of concealer on a flat brush and I will clean my outer and inner V with it. As you can see, this beautiful colorful eyeshadow palette is from Swiss Beauty, and I have again picked the same pencil brush and I am coating it nicely, and I will deposit the color on my outer V and then I will blend it out. I will fill in my outer V, then I will go above my crease line and then I will go towards my inner V. I'll keep on mixing and blending until I'm happy with it. And I'm depositing the same pink color on my inner V too, making a nice V with it. And now I have repeated the same process on my another eye. It is looking so beautiful and I'm so happy with it. To highlight my brow bone, I am picking this light yellow shimmery shade. It's time to apply a beautiful shimmer on my eyelid. Now I'm going to fill in my brows nicely. For blush, contouring and for highlighting, I'm going to use a face palette from Faces Canada, and this is a small contouring brush and I'm contouring my nose with it. I'm not going to contour my entire face. I don't need to contour my jawline. This is already nicely sculpted. Picking a little bit of highlighter. And I must say that this face palette is a really decent palette. The pigmentation is average. Putting blush on my upper cheek area, and now I'm going to apply a nude lipstick, and hopefully it was from Maybelline. And the mascara is also from Maybelline, my all-time favorite mascara. I rarely use waterproof mascara. It's time for eyeliner, and I'm going to use eyeliner from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I'm making a thin line with it. It's time to complete my eye look, so I am applying the same pink color below my lower lash line because it's important to balance out both of the lids. Make your face upside and then it will be easier to give a nice finish. Putting that same yellow shimmer between both of the pink color, and that completes the look. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Please subscribe to see more videos like this. And please tell me what kind of makeup videos you would like to see. I will love to do that, and I see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful. Bye.